Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Welcome back to the live stream. Good to see you all. I can't see you. How was your weekend? What did you get up to? What did you do? Are you in any trades? Yeah, talk to me, guys. What have you been up to? And yeah, in any trades today? We're in a trade currently. We're in Euro Swiss franc, and I put this in the VIP Discord channel. So we'll take a little look at this in a minute, guys. And also, yeah, we'll take as many of your questions as we can as well, guys. Yeah, you know the drill. So fire as many questions as you like, guys, about anything to do with trading. Yeah, it could be a currency pair that you're in. It could be money management, psychology, strategy, stop losses, take profit, different currency pairs, whatever you like, guys. Yeah, I am all yours for the next 40 minutes or so. All right, so yeah, get your questions to me. Let's see who is in the house. Right, we've got a new legend member, SW. I believe that's Simon. Simon, welcome. You are now a legend member, but I believe you're doing the VIP anyway. We're on top of it. How are you? Welcome, and thank you for showing your support. What else are we looking at? Colin, is that the Empire? No, is that the Statue of Liberty I see there? Yeah. Hi, Colin. How are you, mate? Hope Searchlight, very inspirational name. Ready to check the market? Yes, me too. Greg, good day, mate. How are you? Anyone else? Come say hello. Don't be shy. I don't buy it. Not on a Monday, but by about Friday, I might. So yeah, who else have we got in, guys? So we've had a nice little pump just now on the Euro Swiss franc. Yes, we have, and we are in that trade. What else have we got? Isam, hi Isam, how are you? Collegiero, the Luxembourgish gentleman. Let's make some money this week. Indeed, let's make some money. Guys, join the VIP Discord. I give you all my trade ideas in there. Check those ideas out. Fasil, how are you? Brett, afternoon, mate. How are you? Alex, yo, what's good, Tom? Hope everyone is good. Yo, Alex. Everyone is good in the hood. Denny, how are you, Denny? Arthur, indeed, for some Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, we're now on at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, now basically, yeah. So last week it was the UK clocks went forward or back or something, and now the American clocks went forward and back. Yeah, here they don't change, guys. Yeah, there's no need. It's just constant sunshine. So there you go, guys. All right. But yeah, let's start with the trade that I'm in then. So Colin alluded to my trade, and we took this trade earlier, guys. All right. So if you watch my analysis vid in the morning or whenever you watch it, then Euro Swiss franc was a trade idea. And why were we looking to buy it? Well, for very simple reasons, but there are lots of them. So first of all, guys, always look at structure. Yeah. Okay, and structurally, we're in an uptrend. Okay, you do not need to be Warren Buffett to see that is in an uptrend. And what you're looking for are higher highs and preferably higher lows. So we've got higher highs, higher lows. All right, we are in an uptrend. Also, guys, look at candlesticks. Yeah, bullish. Yeah, we've got bullish candlesticks. Buyers are in control. What else to look at? We've also got an area of what was resistance here has now become support. Yeah, we're looking for that as well. And then we're looking for a bit of value. And, at this support level, we have a bit of value and we got some room to move into. Yeah, back up to this area. Let's move that across. Back up to this area of resistance. All right, so that's what we're doing. Why did I enter this pair? Let's find out. So it wasn't, let's go through each time frame. So it wasn't a H4 play. Yeah, go be careful how you say that. So it wasn't, a trade on the H4 because none of these tell me, to start buying. Yeah, this candle here does, but I'm already into this trade. Yeah, and we're going to take a bit of profit here. All right. Was it the H1? So it could have been the H1. Yeah. I mean, basically, guys, we got a nice bullish candle. Yeah. That jumped out of our grey zone. And let's just zoom across, guys. Let's understand why this is a grey zone. So this is, you know, for my grey zones, which are support and resistance zones, I'm looking for price to have reacted historically at that zone. Yeah. And it reacted in here. Why did it react in here? Well, because it's reacted in the past. It's reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. Yeah. We know this is a good level where price could react. All right. So we like this level. Yeah. And then we've got, and then all I'm looking for is a reaction at that level, something to tell me to get into the trade. And as you can see, guys, we had the H1. Okay. So that was obviously, yeah, a good reason to get in this trade. But what I actually did, guys, and I've been a little bit more aggressive with this, but I've been trading M15 structure breaks. All right. So I've been a little bit more, yeah, a little bit more, what's the word? Yeah, aggressive with the trade. So you can see, guys, if we just track M15 structure, okay, so if we come down and we just track M15, okay, we're looking at New Zealand Swiss franc as well. We'll keep an eye on that. If we just track M15 structure, yeah, there's this level here. Okay, there's this level that, you know, on the M15 chart, if this breaks, then buyers are coming into the market. And then sure enough, we get this candle here. So it's just an M15 structure break. And we got a nice retrace on this candle. I actually entered here at 9633. Okay, so we entered here. My stop was below here. Yeah, and my first target has already been hit pretty much, guys. Yeah, we just want to take it back up to these last highs. And that's where we are so far with this trade. I will leave some profit to run on this trade. Okay, so if we go back to the H4 now, all we've done really is enter our grey zone and we've taken profit back up to this level. Yeah, not rocket science, guys. Yeah, again, you know, everything I show you is quite, you know, logical, methodical, common sense, and just reading the basics of a chart. You know, that's all it is, guys. You know, I'm not, you know, it's no magic wand or, you know, some super high-tech strategy. It's simple price action. Yeah, and that's the truth of the chart, guys. That's all you need. So yeah, that's where we are, guys. So we're already nicely in profit. The target was 9649. Okay, 9648. Yeah, I took a little bit of profit here, guys. All right, so I've taken a bit of profit, and then I'm gonna let some profit run. All right, and that's where we are so far with Euro Swiss franc. And like with all of these trade ideas, guys, I put all of them in the VIP Discord channel. We should actually get a print out of this trade to show you, really. But yeah, they're all in there. So come join the VIP Discord, guys, if you would like to receive my trade ideas. Also with this trade, you know, we've got a bit of room to move into. So, you know, we've still got potential more profit to be had with this trade back up to here. All right. So yeah, nice trade so far. Okay, let's just one more thing I'm looking at, guys. I'm really liking a couple of New Zealand pairs and where they are structurally. Okay, so if you go to the day chart on Euro New Zealand dollar, yeah, you can see that on the day chart, price has broken down. Yeah, we're getting lower lows. Yeah, we didn't make higher highs. And if we go to the H4 now, yeah, we're at a really nice level. Okay, so we're at a really nice level here to take a H4 trade. Yeah, look at that. You know, this pattern happens time and time again. Yeah, what was once support? Yeah, clear support here. Price keeps bouncing off. When it breaks, it becomes very good resistance. Yeah, we see this pattern time and time again. And I always say it, guys, if you traded only this pattern, yeah, nothing else, and you just traded this pattern, you would get consistency. Yeah, you would. All right. So yeah, always keep an eye out for that setup. We like that setup. So I'm interested in Euro New Zealand as we speak as well, guys. Yeah. All right. Let's take a few questions from the gang. Right. What are we looking at? Okay. So Brett, can you take a look at CAD yen, please, Tom? Okay. Yeah. I'll take a look at that. Okay, so I'll answer that question in a minute as well. I'm just like looking at some of the hash. Hi, Tom. Hope you're well. Hi, hash. Imaginary. Hi, Tom. Just joined. Did I miss much of all the time changes? Euro Swiss franc trade. We've looked at that imaginary. We're in that. Please click the like button if you are a fan of Tom's analogies. The editor, they are all going to not like anything. Michael, how are you? Sadia, hi. Right, CAD yen, guys. This is for Brett. Brett is a frequent contributor to our VIP Discord channel. And guys, yeah, just in general, guys, if you like my analysis, like the live streams, like my analysis vids, enjoy my trade ideas, then why not come join the channel? Yeah. If everyone could please subscribe to the channel right now, if you haven't already. Also, guys, if you could also smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid. And I apologize for my analogies. So yeah, smash that like button, guys. CAD yen. Let's start with the weekly. So just yen pairs in general are a little bit tricky, but yeah, let's go through it. Yeah, okay, let's go through it. So this is a very important weekly resistance level. Okay. However, yeah, we are firmly in an uptrend. Yeah, if not a bit of a range. Yeah. Okay, so an uptrend stroke range. We don't have lots of room to move into. Okay, but we do have a very bullish, yeah, weekly candle. Okay, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. We could buy it for certain reasons, but we know there's this level here. If we look on the day chart, there's a bit of room here. So let's do that. Let's go down to the day chart now. So for me, this is still in a downtrend. Okay, so once we come, okay, so let me do that again. Sorry, guys, I haven't had my vodka. Let me have my vodka so steadies my hand. It's not that bad. I'm only joking. Yeah, so if we follow structure, you know, there's a bit of bobbing around here, but yeah, you know, we're still in a downtrend. We have lower highs. Yeah, we don't, you know, and we have lower lows, although obviously this level here is holding, you know, so we might find ourselves in a range here. Yeah, price might do this because we're off a weekly level and a daily level. So it might do this. But yeah, for me, it's in a downtrend. I mean, there's a little bit of room here for an opportunistic trade back up to here. But if just looking at the day chart, I wouldn't want to buy it because we're in a downtrend. And I wouldn't want to sell it because of these candles. Yeah, those are very bullish. Even this candle here is a very bullish candle. You know, so it's real conflict for me. Yeah. You know, if I had to trade it, I would take it back up to this gray zone. Yeah, if I had to. But there's too much conflicting information here and not enough room. There's not enough value here for me. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, you can see, look, it is building up. And chances are, you know, it will get back up to this level. Yeah, because we're clearly in a H4 up. My God, my lines today. Here we go. Yeah, we're clearly in a H4 uptrend. You know, we've got a bit of room to move into, and we've just had a very bullish H4 candle. So yeah, everything would tell me we can make it back up to here. But as a trade idea, at the start of the day, it wouldn't be a trade idea for me. But yeah, you know, if I had to, I would buy it back up to here. So there you go, Brett. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's have a quick look at the H1 as well, just see what that's telling us. Yeah, and everything's in an uptrend. Yeah, and just look at these wicks. Yeah, this wick. You know, there's buyers. There's buyers in here today. Yeah, you can see they're pushing price up. All right. So yeah, I'd buy it back up to there, CAD yen. Right. What else are we looking at? So Daniel, yeah, here. So let me answer this question first. So, so IQ, Robert. I hope you've got a large IQ. So, so taking part of the profit or trailing stop loss, which is the best? Both are best. Yeah, you don't, guys. You know, you don't have to do one or the other in trading. You can do both. Yeah. So with Euro Swiss franc, yeah. Let's say, you know, I'm in this trade, yeah, and we've just taken profit here, okay, and I've closed 80% or whatever it is, all right. So I'm going to take profit, yeah. My stop loss is down here, yeah, down here, okay. I'm going to take profit, yeah, because price has told you this could be a level where price reverses, yeah, and let's say price did this, yeah, and then you didn't take any profit. You would be sick, okay? And what about if you exited here for 100%, yeah, and then price done that, went to the moon? You would also be sick, okay? So taking profit gives you the best of both worlds, all right? And it's up to you. You can take 80%, 70%, 60%, you know, whatever, you know? So I would do that every trade. Yeah, I'll take some profit. The percentage may change a little bit, but I'm going to take some profit. And then when it comes to trailing my stop, I will also do that with the remaining 20%. I might even add to the trade. Okay, but now we've got this situation. Let's say price does this. Yeah, let's say price does this. Then my stop here is going to go to here. It's going to go to here. It's going to go to here. Yeah, and I'll trail the stop as well, just to give the last 20% some a chance, basically. Give the last 20% a chance. All right, so yeah, there you go, IQ Robert. Yeah, do both. Yeah, why the hell not? Do it all. No, but yeah, you can use both. Yeah, okay. So Daniel's got a question here. So surely the Euro New Zealand short contradicts your Euro Swiss franc long. I hear you, Daniel. But at the start of the day, you would buy pretty much any Swiss franc pair. Yeah. So this is based on, so if I want to trade, I'm currently in Euro Swiss franc. Very hard to write with a mouse pen, especially after vodka. Euro Swiss franc buy, and then I've just said that I'm looking at Euro New Zealand dollar short. And I hear you. This contradicts the euro. Yeah, one is euro strength, one is euro weakness. But what I'm really doing is saying that New Zealand could potentially, not yet, I haven't had a setup. New Zealand could be the strongest currency, then the euro, and then Swiss franc's the weakest. So I would also like New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, which I do as well. Yeah, they're both at interesting levels. Yeah, if we look at both of them now, so if we look at Euro New Zealand, yeah, on the H4, yeah, we know it's at an interesting level. Yeah, but I haven't had a setup yet. Okay, we know this is an interesting level. And now if we go to New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, I also like that trade. Arguably, I should like this trade more, shouldn't I, really? You know, if you think about it. So, you know, this is also at a nice grey zone and we're getting a bullish reaction. So I could trade New Zealand Swiss franc or Euro New Zealand Swiss franc, and they are and Euro New Zealand, and they are highly correlated. But it's all about Swiss franc and its weakness. I said in my analysis vid this morning, Swiss franc is weak. Okay, so that's more the catalyst for my trade. Yeah, I do worry about contradicting trades like Euro New Zealand and Euro Swiss franc, but the fact that the Swiss franc is so weak is the driving force behind it. I hope that makes sense, Daniel. I feel as if I've confused myself and potentially others, but yeah, that's why I'm willing to take that trade, because of Swiss franc weakness. Right, what else are we looking at? Right, what else are we looking at? Sadia, pound US dollar. Okay, let's have a look at pound US dollar. I've just seen a message from Gary saying Tom kidnapped. Is Gary okay? Is Gary kidnapped? I hope not. If he is, we shouldn't be joking about this. I hope you're okay. Okay, so let's have a look at pound US dollar, Sadia, because that was a trade idea for today. And it's just Elvis has left the building. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, so as you know, guys, I highlighted pound US dollar as a trade idea for this morning, because if we look at the day chart, you know, what is wrong with my drawing today? I apologize. Yeah, we're clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that. We had a nice bullish candle. Yeah, breaking all of these highs in here. And the idea was to take price to the next area of resistance. But yeah, look at that. You just can't. I can't trade that. Maybe you can. I can't trade that. Yeah, because this is just not retracing. Yeah, I can. You know, not easy. But if a chart is like this, you know, it's easy to trade. Yeah, get some value, take some profit here. 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 Let some profit run. Yeah, that's easy. This little tricky sausage isn't. Yeah, that is just like that. And I can't trade that. It's difficult to get in on. So pound US dollar, purely for that reason, I haven't been able to get in on it. Yeah, we just haven't had a retrace. You know, if it retraces, like I say, to one of my grey zones, then I become interested here or even back down to here. But if it just shoots off, not interested. There's no value. Yeah. Whereas Euro Swiss franc, the trade I did take, that retraced nicely to an area of value. Okay. So what else are we looking at here, guys? Okay, so we've got lots of questions here, guys, and some interesting ones. So Tom kidnapped. Okay, so CAD Swiss franc is. So yeah, any Swiss franc pair, first of all. So Gary is saying, in my opinion, CAD Swiss franc is closing to a potential buy zone. I would probably agree with you. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, I mean, CAD Swiss franc, out of all the Swiss franc pairs, this was probably one I was less inclined to take, because we're at an area of resistance. But yeah, CAD Swiss franc is also a buy. Is it, you know, that's all we're looking for, is buys on Canadian, on any Swiss franc pair, because Swiss franc is weak. And now Arvidas's question is, how can I tell that? Just all the information you need is in the charts. If I look at any Swiss franc pair, it will tell you to buy it. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, it, you know, broke this level. Everything's in an uptrend. Bullish candles. Yeah, buy it. Yeah, so Swiss franc weakness. If we look at Euro Swiss franc, yeah, look at these candles. Okay, so Euro Swiss franc's shooting off nicely. So what we like to see. Look at the chart. Yeah, again, everything I show you guys is not, you know, rocket science. Yeah, look at this chart. Just everything is just bullish. Buy, 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 buy. Even these candles are a buy. So Swiss franc weakness. Let's have a look at pound Swiss franc. Just look at the candles. Yeah, buy, 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 buy. Okay, next one, New Zealand Swiss franc. Look at the candles. Buy, 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 buy. You know, everything is telling us to buy, you know, Swiss franc weakness. That makes sense? Yeah. You know, so the charts are Vedas. Yeah, the charts, because I look at 28 currency pairs, I can tell you what's weak and what's strong because I have a good overview of the market. If you look at 4 currency pairs, you potentially wouldn't be able to tell me what was strong or what was weak. Yeah, but because I look at 28 currency pairs, you know, it's all telling me that that Swiss franc is weak. You know, even if we look at US dollar Swiss franc, yeah, even this had a structure break. Yeah. Yeah, we actually got a higher high. I know this is a very bearish candle, but this is, you know, one of the few US dollar majors that is indicating US dollar strength because it's in an uptrend. Okay, so that's also, yeah, telling me that Swiss franc is weak as well. Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, can you okay, so yeah, Daniel, good. I hope that makes sense. Tom, so this is from Hash. Do you have a limit on the amount of trades you take in any one day? No, but it's unlikely I'm going to get a lot of setups. So, you know, when I do my, so today, for example, yeah, in my analysis vid this morning, I'm looking at 4 trades. Yeah, I'm looking at Euro Swiss franc, Pound Swiss franc, Euro US dollar, and Pound US dollar. And you will know that if you watch my morning analysis vid, yeah, or whenever it might be your afternoon analysis vid, whenever you watch it. But thinking about that, guys, Euro Swiss franc and Pound Swiss franc, I'm only going to trade one of them. They're highly correlated. Yeah. And arguably, you know, Euro US dollar and Pound US dollar, they're also correlated to the last 2, but I'm only going to trade one of them as well. So I'm looking at 4 currency pairs today, but at max, I'm going to trade 2 of them. So it's not, again, I don't control that. I just control all the controllables. That's all I focus on. And that's all you should focus on, guys. And when I say control the controllables, they are your strategy, as in your entries, yeah, your money and risk management, yeah. You can control your strategy, your money and risk management, and you can control yourself, yeah, unless you're on beer number 6, then maybe you can't. I'm only joking, but, you know, you have to control those things. Once you control them, you will get consistency. Yeah, as long as your strategy is not crap, you know, you will get consistency if you control those 3 things. And that's all I focus on. And if it means that I get 1 trade a day or 1 trade a week or 4 trades a day, doesn't matter. That's what I will do. Yeah. But yeah, on average, I would say I get 1 to 2, on average, 1 trade a day, but sometimes I'll have 2. Right, Ben Naylor, you are a Simply Forex YouTube member, hence your name is in green. So I will answer your question right now. But before I do, guys, you can see Ben Naylor's name is in green, guys. So let me mention a few things that we do. So, guys, we've got a free Discord channel. First of all, it's free. Come join it. Yeah, we've got loads of stuff in there: traders, ideas, indicators, books. Come join it. We've also got the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I've got something in my eye. Also, guys, I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. So the Euro Swiss franc trade, I give you that earlier on. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their trade ideas in the VIP Discord. I give you exclusive content every week in there, and you get access to a performance coach. So, guys, if you're interested in the VIP Discord, the link is in the live chat and the video description. Also, guys, I do a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one, if you would like to read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the live chat and the video description. Also, guys, like I said, if your name appears in green, you are already a member, but you can support our channel by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. We've got supporter and gold membership, and each membership has its own perks. So check it all out, man or woman. Yeah, there you go, guys. Check all that out. And don't forget, our live stream, as you know, is 7 a.m. New York EST time now because of all the clocks. Okay, so what? So good trades to me. Okay, good. So pound Canadian dollar and pound Swiss franc have been good trades. So Ben Nail is asking, hey Tom, are there any pairs that you particularly like to trade more than others? Conversely, are there any pairs that you find more difficult to trade due to the way it moves? No and no. Yeah, all I do, I don't have an opinion. Yeah, I don't think, oh, you know, like pound US dollar, I got stung last time with pound US dollar, or, oh, euro yen's been really good to me. I don't think like that. Yeah, and neither should you guys. You don't have opinions on these pairs. You know, they're not your friends, they're not your enemies. They're just things that you trade to make money. Yeah, that's how I look at them. And it doesn't matter if my setup is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, or silver. Yeah, all I do is trade my setups. And as I said before, you know, focus on the controllables. Control the controllables. You can control your strategy, you can control your money and risk management, and you can control you. By you, I mean your emotions. Control them. Yeah, it doesn't, I don't care what currency pair I trade. I really don't. You know, what I am aware of, for example, because I have to work out my risk and everything very quickly, I'm very aware that, you know, pound Canadian dollar moves far quicker than Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, for example. You know, some do move quicker than others. You know, for Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar to move 20 pips could take 12 days. For pound Canadian dollar, it will take seconds. You know, so you have to understand that, but that really plays into your money and risk management. But other than that, I don't care what I'm trading. And also, yeah, if you trade an index, if you trade gold, you know, all of a sudden the pips become crazy. So you need to take that into consideration. But in terms of a setup, I trade whatever sets up in front of me, and I take that trade. I hope that helps, Ben. Dances with Wolves. Cheers, my dude. You're welcome. Rachel finally made it on time. Rachel, congratulations to making it on time. Gold star for you. So, okay, so people are talking about correlations here. And so Swiss franc, yeah, is a flight to safety currency. Yeah. So let's take a look at correlations, all right? So yes, Swiss franc, you know, along with Japanese yen, are a flight to safety currency. Yeah. And you know, people are saying, you know, what with the troubles in Gaza and everything, then why is Swiss franc and Japanese yen not strong? And they're not directly correlated to news. Do you know what I mean? Like if there's a war somewhere, it doesn't mean the yen is strong. If there's a war somewhere, the powers to be or whoever, yeah, who are running these markets, you know, then they, you know, it needs to be reflected in the charts, and specifically the indices. All right. So generally speaking, if there's a war or something in the news and they think it's going to be bad, you know, it generally takes a hit, you know, on an indice. Okay. But you can see the indices were coming down. Yeah. And during that time, we had a lot of Swiss franc strength. Yeah. So let me show you this, guys. So look, let's just pick anyone. New Zealand Swiss franc. Okay. Look how correlated this is. So New Zealand Swiss franc. Yeah. Look at that Swiss franc strength. Yeah. That is Swiss franc strength. Now, let's go back to any of them. S&P. Yeah. Look at that S&P weakness. Directly correlated with the Swiss franc. Okay, because if the indices are plummeting, that is when flight to safety kicks in. Yeah, because the markets, the S&P, all the stocks are taking into account what's happening fundamentally, who knows, but the indices are shooting down. If the indices are shooting down, then the Swiss franc will get strength. You know, generally speaking, but correlations break all the time as well. And then, you know, and then look at this push off of the S&P, okay? And then if we go back to any Swiss franc pair, look at this push off of their Swiss franc weakness. So the correlation is not directly with news, it's how the markets have taken this news, yeah, and how it affects the indices. Okay, if the indices start plummeting, then flight to safety currencies generally become stronger, like Swiss franc or yen. All right, so that's the correlation you need to be aware of. Okay, and gold, yeah, gold. So Calogero, yeah, gold is also a flight to safety. Yeah, but gold is, you know, gold has been breaking. Has been breaking correlations. Yeah, this has just been ignoring everything. So you will get that, guys. Correlations will break, you know. Over the space of a year, they won't break. But over, you know, potentially a few weeks or whatever, they can break. But yeah, just look at gold. That is a flight to safety. And this has just been ignoring everything. Because those indices, you know, were picking up strength. And again, you can probably see, you know, a little bit of weakness coming into gold, but gold's tearing up again because of the US dollar weakness we've seen come through as well. Yeah, on the back of NFPs. So there's many correlations, you know. I'm going to use the word that you need to be aware of, but do you need to be aware of them? You know, because really it's all in the charts anyway. Yeah. So for example, guys, let's pick a Swiss franc pair again. Let's go to Euro Swiss franc, the trade I'm in today. So even if you knew nothing about correlations, yeah, no biggie. Yeah, you're still going to buy Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, you don't know about the correlation with the indices. Yeah, doesn't matter. You're still going to buy that. Do you know what I mean? So don't get too hung up on these correlations. Is you know, educate yourself, mate. You know, be aware that they're there and these correlations exist. But again, like I always go back to, guys, the truth is in the charts. Yeah, it's there in red and green. I was going to say it's there in black and white, but it's there in black and green. Yeah, look, you can see it. All right, so just trade that. Yeah. Don't, you know, I get so many questions. Oh, what about the war here? Or what about the problems here? Or what about the problems there? Just noise. Yeah, just noise, guys. Yeah, you know, it's dreadful that these things are happening, and I don't want these things to happen, of course, but it shouldn't play a part in your trading. Yeah, it should play no part in your trading. Unless you're a news trader, then trade the news. And if you know how to do that, please let me know. Right, what else are we looking at? Right, no. Okay, so what else are we looking at? How long? Okay, Daniel. So I'm going to do a video on this in the VIP Discord. So Daniel said, how long beforehand on Friday did you take your pound US dollar trade? So I took it very early on. I think it was about 9 hours before the NFPs come out. So I had plenty of time for the trade to play out. But yeah, we had a lovely trade on that. And I put it in the VIP Discord, guys. And I'm going to do a little vid on that, how I managed that and why I traded it. And I'm going to put that in the VIP Discord tomorrow, guys, for you VIP crew. All right, guys. We got some nice comments here. Let's read these nice comments. So Gary, followed you from Nick's live stream. Thanks for your sharing. Learned a lot from you. So thank you, Gary. That's very nice. I'm going to read these out because they're quite nice. And Noor said, me too. And I joined the VIP Discord and I've been learning a lot and I'm very profitable with Tom. He's really the best teacher and very helpful. He is always there to help. Best teacher. Noor, I will pay you later for that comment. And yeah, just thank you very much, guys, for your kind words. All right, and we're gonna call it a day there. Okay, so guys, if you've enjoyed my analysis, enjoyed my live stream, then don't forget to come join us. Yes, subscribe to the channel right now. Everyone, please smash the like button if you've enjoyed the live stream. Also, guys, don't forget the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership as well. Check it all out. See you tomorrow, guys.